Imagine this. You're watching your favorite cartoon, laughing at the funny characters, amazed by the incredible scenes. But what if I told you that the whole cartoon was made not by humans, but by artificial intelligence? Sounds crazy, right? Well, welcome to the future, because AI is already creating animations, and today, we're going to dive into the world of AI-generated cartoons. But first, let's play a quick game. Try to guess, which of these famous cartoons were made using AI? A. SpongeBob SquarePants. B. The Lion King 2019. C. Tom and Jerry. Think about it for a second. The answer is B. The Lion King 2019. This movie used AI-powered animation to make the animals look incredibly realistic. But what if AI could create a whole cartoon without any human animators? Let's find out. How does AI draw characters? Think about your favorite cartoon character. Maybe it's Pikachu, Sonic, or even a superhero like Spider-Man. But how do artists come up with these cool designs? They use their imagination. And guess what? AI can do that too. AI learns to draw by looking at millions of pictures. Imagine if you could instantly see every cartoon character ever created in just a few seconds. That's what AI does. It studies patterns, shapes, and colors, then mixes them together to create brand new characters. Let's try something fun. Imagine an alien panda with rainbow wings and a robot dog that breathes fire. Sounds impossible, right? But AI can take that description and turn it into an actual image in seconds. Some programs, like DALL-E and Midjourney, can take words and create completely new cartoon characters. But wait, what if AI creates something weird? Well, sometimes it does. Some AI-generated characters have 6 eyes, strange faces, or giant hands. It's like a crazy mix-up. But that's part of the fun. AI keeps learning, and the more it trains, the better its drawings become. How does AI make cartoons move? Okay, so AI can draw, but cartoons aren't just pictures, they move. So how does AI make animations? Normally, animators draw thousands of pictures, slightly changing them each time, so when you play them quickly, it looks like movement. But AI can automate this process. Programs like Runway ML and Deep Motion can take a single picture and turn it into a moving character. Even crazier, AI can copy human movements. Have you seen those dance videos where characters like Mario or Sonic suddenly start breakdancing? That's AI using motion capture. It watches real humans dance, then teaches the cartoon characters to move just like them. Let's test your imagination. If you could make any cartoon character dance, who would it be? Imagine Batman doing ballet or Pikachu breakdancing. With AI, that's actually possible. AI and voice acting. Wait a second. Cartoons don't just move, they talk. So who gives them their voices? AI can do that too. There are programs like 11 Labs and MIF AI that can clone voices, meaning they can take someone's voice and make it say anything. Some YouTubers even use AI to make cartoon characters sing songs they've never actually sung. But here's a fun question. Do you think AI could replace real actors? Some people say yes, but others believe human voices have emotions and feelings that AI can't fully copy yet. Want to try a fun experiment? Say a random sentence out loud and imagine Mickey Mouse's voice saying it instead. Sounds funny, right? That's exactly what AI voice cloning can do. Can AI write stories? Now for the big question. Can AI actually write a full cartoon story? Well, yes and no. AI can generate ideas, write scripts, and even come up with jokes. But here's the thing, it doesn't feel emotions like we do. It doesn't know what makes something truly funny or emotional. That's why the best cartoons still have human writers working together with AI. Think of it like this. AI is like a robot assistant. It can help create cartoons faster, but humans still add the magic. Here's a quick story challenge. Try to come up with a short story about a talking watermelon who wants to become a superhero. Sounds funny, right? AI could generate a story like that in seconds, but would it have the same humor and emotion that a human could add? That's the question. Can AI create a full cartoon on its own? Now comes the biggest question of all. Can AI create an entire animated movie without any human help? Well, not yet, but we're getting closer. AI tools can already draw, animate, add voices, and even write stories. Some companies are experimenting with fully AI-generated cartoons, where a computer does everything from start to finish. But will humans still be needed in animation? Of course! AI is just a tool. It can speed things up, but human creativity is still the heart of storytelling. The future of AI cartoons. So, what does this all mean for the future? Will AI take over animation completely? Probably not. But it will definitely make cartoons faster, crazier, and more creative than ever before. Maybe one day, you could type an idea into a computer and boom, a full cartoon appears in seconds. Or maybe AI will let us step inside cartoons using virtual reality. The possibilities are endless. But now, I have a question for you. If you could create your own AI-generated cartoon, what would it be about? A superhero penguin? A time-traveling robot? And don't forget, keep imagining, keep creating, and who knows, maybe your idea will be the next big AI cartoon.